With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is in a form of a picture. So given below is the diagram representative of the Miller's experiment. Now we have to label the labeled part A, B, C and D. Okay, so now we have to label this. Now, if you look at this picture, now this is a picture which is showing what? It is showing Miller-Urey experiment. So what it is showing? It is showing Miller-Urey experiment. Now this Miller-Urey experiment, who did this? It was done by Stanley Miller in the supervision of the Harold Urey. It was done by Stanley Miller in the supervision of Harold Urey. And why this experiment is being done? This experiment is being done to prove a theory of abiogenesis. Okay, so to prove the theory of abiogenesis. Now what is the theory of abiogenesis? That the life has been originated by chemical compounds or organic compounds, okay, and these form the simpler inorganic precursors which form the more complex organic compounds. So this is what is abiogenesis, that the life has been derived from abiogenetic chemicals, okay, they are known as organic compounds. So that is all about this abiogenesis, organic compounds. Now if you look at the picture and the diagram, okay, and the experiments, so what he does was, first what he does was that he took a mixture of gases in this flask. Okay, so he took what? He took a mixture of gases in this flask. Now what are the mixture that he took? The four gases mixture that he took was H2O, which is water. Okay, then he took CH4, which is methane. Okay, then he took NH3, which is ammonia, and hydrogen, which is H2. So these are the four mixture of gases that he took. Okay, and that is, he took it in this flask. And then what happens is that he gave it an electric shock. Okay, so there was electric sparks for that. So A will represent what? A will represent the electric sparks which is being given to this mixture of the gases, which is the B. Okay, now if you talk about what is this C, now the C is the cooling effect. Now these mixtures of gases, this has been cooled. Now if you can look at this picture, this flask contains what? This flask contains water. Okay, this contains water and this water is being heated up. Okay, so this water is warm, it is being heated up. Now this water is being heated up and the water vapor which is being generated from here, it goes from here to here and it will mix with these gases. Okay, after that it is being cooled by this. Okay, so it is being cooled by this cooling method, or you can also call it as cold water. Okay, so it is being cooled by cold water so that this vapors, they get condenses and then they will drip into this pot, which will have this material which will be formed after 20 to 30 days. Now what material is being found here? The material which is being found here are the organic compounds, which mainly consist of what? Which mainly consist of amino acids. So many amino acids have been found here. Okay, and water which is being condensed by this water vapor. Okay, and if you talk about what is this D, then this D is the gas inlet, or you can also call it as U trap. Okay, which gives the gases. Okay, it gives the gases of CH4 and NH3. So this is the U trap or the gas inlet. So this is that. Okay, gas inlet. Now if you look at the this options, the option, it says that the first one is the electrodes that I told you. What is it? That's the electrode, that's the electric spark which is given to this mixture of gases, and that's the electrodes. Okay, so that is true. Now B is NH3, H2, H2O, CH4, that is also correct. I told you there are four mixture of gases, which is water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. That is also correct. Now C is cold water. That I told you. It is what? This is cooling, which is being done to condense this water vapor. So it is done by cold water. That is also true. Now D is what? D is this vacuum. Now I told you this vacuum, the gas inlet is there. Okay, and it will do what? It will do this. It will provide the gases mixture to this. So this is also correct. Now E, I told you what is this E. Now this E is the U trap. That also I told you that E is a U trap, okay, from in which these water which will be condensed and the amino acids which have been formed after many days after this experiment uh, will be accumulated here. So this is also correct. So the correct option for this question will be option 1, because everything matches. Okay, so this is correct. Now if you look at the other options, what are the other options? If you look at the second option, the second, it says electrodes. The first one, which is correct, it is the electrode. The second, it says NH4, H2, H2O, CH3, but it is not NH4 and CH3, it is NH3 and CH4, methane and ammonia. Okay, so this is not correct. So this option is not correct. Now if you talk about the C1, now C, it having only two gases, so this is also not correct. I told you there are four gases, mixture of four gases, so this is also not correct. And if you look at D option, that is also not correct, because it is C is still telling steam, but it is not steam. It is what? It is cooling water and cold water to cool and condense the water vapor which is being formed here. Okay, so the only correct option will be option 1. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.